welcome to another hair tutorial. I know it's been a long time since my last one. It's not easy to keep a YouTube channel going, but I do want to continue doing it. I'm trying to, go back to making videos, and I just had a lot of things going on. Anyways, and if you remember before, the schedule was every Thursdays I'll be posting a hair video, and on Tuesdays I'll do something fun, whether it's art or I don't know, just I guess whatever I felt like. I'm still gonna be sticking to that schedule. So yeah, I'm back now. In today's video, I'll be showing you this really easy updo. I did for my sister a couple weeks ago, and it took me 5 minutes to do, and it looked really good at the same time. It looked like you put a lot of effort in, and it's you could do it on yourself too. It's that easy. So let's get started. To start with, I've just brushed her hair, put dry shampoo in it, and I'm just gonna take all of her hair and put it in a braid in the back. I'm just gonna do a regular 3-strand braid. You can do whatever you want, a rope braid, a fishtail braid, a 4-strand braid, or 5-strand braid, whatever you want. Okay, once you've got the braid done, just tie it off with one of the clear elastics, and then all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap it around like this to create a bun in the back. As I'm twisting around, I'm gonna bobby pin it. Once you've got this side pinned, you're gonna keep wrapping around, and then to hide the ends, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold it like this, and then that's gonna make sure that it tucks in underneath, and then I just put the folded side right where the braid started. Okay, so once you've pinned the hairstyle, that's really all you need to do. Depending on your preferences, you can change it up just a little bit. There are 2 different ways that you can wear it. You can either wear it very sleek and professional looking, or you can wear it messy and textured. Right now she's got the more messy version. She's got her face framing layers in the front, and then on the side it's just kind of very loose back here. But if you do want a more polished and sleek hairstyle, just go ahead and take hairspray, and if you have any face framing layers, just go ahead and take your finger, brush it towards the back. You want to keep it kind of loose like this, and then hairspray. And here's the more sleek, polished version. It's not messy from the front. So yeah, this is the hairstyle. Okay, so that's the finished style. Hopefully you enjoy it. It's a nice and easy way to dress up a bit if you want. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Hopefully you enjoy it, and
Let go. Try not to.
What are you doing? Okay, we're doing that again.